bora chingaki abikiri ase omtandao Getembe Television Network ekinakyo Ekeonga kiamamogusie.
Marahaba bengi naende omwancho muligerere wa Getembe TV, karibu sana ase Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi chabono omaragoba litiko neria Jumanne chitariki 3 mwezi enyoyo gatatu omwaka oyo iga o 2026 erieta riane Matildah Obaigwa na Veni Nyaboke korwa sensemo yebimanyerero. Karibu sana na nekero tuguchaka korwa se bungeri ya West Mugirango niko bono omonasiasa Rogers Amoturi oyu nendoro mwonjorera korwa Chinsa mecho bono anyari ukwanira oburai bwe bunge ya West Mugirango obwa mochiri na goteabuna nigo bokoreri butari obuya ase ebunge yo nechinga kecho nigo atuguteirale chinguma buna nigo ensemo yo kwamereria serikali kubo muno kurase county ya Nyamira yanyara koba kegosangereria abantu na kubabeka ase etaro ose ase ebikaro byakorekana nensemo eyo yo kwamereria serikali yare kurwa wana Dr. Fred Matiang'i gochase orugongo rwagusi korende nigatebire eganga yae nokoreke bune bunge ya West Mugirango yanyorire obokoreri obya ase amatuko arebosio.
Samaliete Nkurku Rogers Motuli ongera eliogo ya West Mugirango. Entagete gotebya abantu baitu bali besogeti. Bali bachite galia. Nturuchi there is nowhere kwaruchi school pass kebisire. Abantu go baruetenka abantu baganyirete Fred Okengo Matiang'i umwana ominto. Ache nabageni baye bakabuba welcome. Mondo goteba na abantu baruete Mount Kenya. Nche naona lengo ya mobo. I don't come from Mount Kenya. Nche nkuru West Mugirango township ya Nyamira. Na abantu kera na lenge galieli ane igoro ndigerete go Chinsa. Abantu na roje na abantu ba West Mugirango. Andonse sina jete abantu na roje na abantu bari ngukwaneke usi. Igonde tayo omoporaiseti ground gocha gukwani umwana minto Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Nege ndo bakwanjira Fred Okengo Matiang'i ne record yaye gerengia pikurugesa chagete IT akagenda education interior na bututtage tumuntu okorosi Kenya yeito eroka ne burunge ikyagera boniga se ebintu byakongire kende nkiyo gyakolekanire for the last 8.5 years kende nkiyo gyakolekanire ogende chiskuru cheito bana babwati cho abirasi ebigotwa mwara kirasi kilitwa genda tente omwana bomu West Mugirango tabwana tikobeka chibuti kakogende kirasi memuna kilitwa ratente ne binge tente is one example chipara chito njirosiri and I'm sorry to say chibese cherwe to pasalis boni gabate bete bagocha kurwa is 75 million njebuno munyabiasara onge 75 million kero mwana West Mugirango igakogende school bakaboniga nturamanya bana kibaetwe bana kibataitwe all we know bana baranyora pasalis so kende nkeyo gyakolekanire kuruchi para kuru pasalis kuruchi sukuru there is nothing 2027 under the leadership ya Fred Okengo Matiang'i nanje kinomo chumbe wa West Mugirango gucha Catholic Rosia a new foundation ya West Mugirango egendo
Kutigana na yokora se bunge ya West Mugirango murai wense muske William Ruto ni gobono anyale gusegeta aborokiwo kuba muno abagosoma se chiskuru cyobubundi mense ya Kenya banyale komenta omukia ayaga nigo akoya kwana korwa ase Chinsa mugose korwa ase eskuru yobubundi ya PC Kinyanjui yogotoka ime ye bungeri ya Dagoretti South ase county ya Nairobi nechingaki anyara kurigereria hamagendero ase Chinsa mecho napo igota buna chiskuru hanene muno chiri cyobubundi nchinyare komento amagacho elikwene kibuna abana nkonyora bale obokoreri obya gose ogosomi wakurukuya ase chiskuru echo.
Comrades power. Mimi nasikia kuna watu wanatafuta power. Comrades power. Sijui ni hii power yenu ama ni power ingine. Ni gani? Ni hii yenu. Comrades power. Sikizeni bwana. You have an opportunity. Leo hapa katika PC Kinyanjui. The reason why we are expanding the education infrastructure in this college is because we believe that the biggest empowerment we can give to the young people of Kenya is to make sure that they acquire knowledge through education and training. Na ndio sababu hiyo, vile mko na nafasi hapa, we are going to make sure that continuously we will ensure that we provide the facilities for each and every one of you to be able to learn, to be able to be trained, so that you can contribute meaningfully to the development and the progress of a nation we all love called Kenya. Nyinyi mko tayari jameni? Mnasema tuendelee? Elimu ni kitu ya muhimu sana. Elimu is the greatest equalizer. And that is why we are spending money making sure that every child in Kenya has an opportunity to acquire an education. And that is the reason why we have hired more teachers, we have hired more tutors for our TVETs, and we are expanding infrastructure in all our secondary schools, primary schools, our TVETs, and we are improving funding for higher education, because knowledge, education,
Ichinga kiecho mukonyo ye musike kithure kindiki kaukwana kurwasi kaunti ya Taita Taveta nigubono anyalire kwerabuna ikirenga ya serikali eyiga ya broad based no kwene kyabuna banyalire gwikirania amagendero kubwa muno chiria babete bakolira abakenya nigatebire Chinsa gusigatie kaunti buna area ya Taita Taveta nigo chiare gutigara magega korwa amatuko amagega na boigo abarai okurwa ase orugongoro naro nigo sokire na gotabuna ikirugo kyobokonyi buburai bwense tikeri kunwa ekiagera omoske kidira kindiki na isaine nande mbuya okole mirimo ase ikirugo ikyo.
Tumekuja hapa kuangalia baadhi ya miradi ya maendeleo ambayo inafanywa na serikali kuu katika jimbo letu la Taita Taveta. Kwa muda mrefu watu wengi wamekuwa na madharau. Unaona ya kwamba sehemu kama hii yetu ya Taita Taveta maendeleo ilikuwa inafika kidogo kidogo. Ni kweli si kweli? Ni kweli si kweli? Lakini safari hii tumesema ile mipango yote ya maendeleo inaendelea Kenya mzima. Hata Taita Taveta lazima ipate maendeleo.
Niseme nsiseme, nitoboe sitoboe. Naibu wa Rais, jambo langu la mwisho. Iko watu wanataka wanaanza kukuletea fitina. Eti wanasema sijui nini. Sisi watu wa Taita Taveta, tukiwa viongozi wote, we want to tell them, you will not get political popularity kwa kuanza kuongea mambo ya deputy president. Kwa sababu hii kiti ya naibu wa rais ilienda asubuhi na mapema, na naibu wa rais wetu ni Profesa Kithure Mwakazi Kindiki.
Sisi kama wajumbe hatujuti kumchagua yeye, kumweka yeye kumsaidia naibu wa rais, kumsaidia rais wetu. Yale maamuzi tuliyafanya, wengine wetu walichukia, lakini sasa yanazaa matunda. Yule ambaye alituambia sisi Taita Taveta ni watu wachache, hatuna shares, alafu anarudi kutuona sisi ni makazi. Makazi ni wakina nani? Sisi alitujua hatuna shares na sisi hatuna share na yeye.
Ase ekikaro kia babunge abaseneta bekiama kia ODM ekyo kyakorekana ase bunge nene mugasorero nigobono ekiame ekyo kia ODM kia ligereria egatia mangana yengencho ase gati yabo ukumwachi nguru Muskie Oburu Odinga achiwe ikaransa emesa nekiama kia UDA ili gukora ukuigwana una bararosie serikali irache na boigo nebintu ebingi byakwanirwa ase ababunge abo n'abaseneta batyabuna ekiama gia ODM nigo kigendete gutigara ko bane chinguru na boigo kutwara abaraiya bange ase ebunge rienene na boigo area ye Senate.
And they will maintain every parliamentary seat that they occupy today, either in the National Assembly or in the Senate under ODM, and make it more. We want to increase our numbers in the next general election from what we have today, and we are telling any party that we are associating with, any party in this country that wants to associate with us, our parliamentary numbers are not negotiable. Parliamentary group meeting also endorsed the decision of the NEC to give mandate to our party leader to start the process of negotiation with other parties, with like-minded parties, starting with the UDA party, under the way the Central Committee and the NEC Committee, the NEC Committee approved. The parliamentary group also agreed to receive the report of the 10-point agenda on Tuesday is 10th, on 10th, yes, Tuesday, at a broad-based parliamentary group meeting that will be held at KICC on Tuesday, where members from both sides of Kenya Kwanza and ODM will receive the report. Then from there, the public will be told on what progress the report has made, what has been achieved, what has not been achieved. And the parliamentary group emphasized on two main issues that they expect to happen. That is the compensation bit of the matter of the 10-point agenda, and the devolution issue, that they want monies increased to the devolved units, and they also want the people who are affected through post-election violence from 2017, that money must be put in the supplementary budget that is in Parliament, I think.
Na oyo konya ore omobunge o emurwa adikiri omoske Joana Ngeno na abande batano abo banyara kuboteranirwa somo basokano wendege ya aina ya helicopter weekend yaeta nigobono baranyara kwenirwa litkoria ijuma chitariki isano nemo ewiki yega uyo no murobeli usemerobeli oyonsi nigo irachi gutenenerwa ne serikali nene engana yanyare kwenekiwa negati yabarai kubwa muno umugabana we county ya Narok Moske Patrick Ole Ntutu chinga kechiga nigo baboli unakira masabo arakoregane litkuria ankyo nigo basabire obotoereru nabo igo amasabo kurwase Abakenya.
Hawa wenyewe wametoa siku ya Friday ambayo ni Ijumaa. Hiyo ndiyo siku itakuwa ni siku ya funeral. Meaning that pia on Wednesday tutakuwa na maombi maalum pale Baptist Church kwa hawa wandugu zetu ambayo wametuacha. Hizi kaunti mbili zinakuanga zinashikania mambo zikifanyika kama hizi. Ina maana kwamba watu wote wa Bomet wetu, watu ya hapa Kajiado, watu ya Nairobi ambayo ni neighbors wetu na Nakuru, wote Wakenya wote tunaomba mufike hapa, muje, mumekaribishwa kwa maombi maalum. Lakini wameniuliza kama kiongozi wao, kwa sababu wananchi wetu ni wale watu ambayo hawajaelewa ni nini imefanyika. Wameomba kwa heshima kubwa ya kwamba investigation ifanyiwe ili wakubali kwa roho yao ni nini ilifanyika.
Sisi kama Wakipsigis na Wakalenjin, hiyo tradition yetu na vile tunakaa kama jamii, tukiomboleza, please tutoe siasa kwa mambo ya kuomboleza.
Moncho murigiria gutigana nayo kurase Chinsa chamaiko nigo ensi ya Iran wetera omwambasada obo gocha sense ya Kenya umanyikanite na Ali Golampo obono yanyari gukana buna ate konyara gukora ubusagani osase cha visi chense ya Marekani aiga asense ya Kenya kawukona nabaliki bamagana maya nigo atebirense ya Iran nigo bono yemukire getambukiro yuko Iran yakoboko gocha se ense ya America asogosagana gati cia bisi anene muno chiri ase Chinsa chiri cia Gulf kubwatikana no guchika kwa bwatu kwa mutuka bwangoiga no murai bwenseri ya America muske Donald Trump nechinga kicho nigo aenekiri buna ensi ya Kenya nigo egendete utwara obwamate bwaime muno nenseri ya Iran.
The aggression against Iran has been originated from military bases of the United States in the countries in the Persian Gulf and surrounding Iran. So it is a provoked kind of servicing, and we consider the military bases and as the territory of the United States. And it is obvious that when you are attacked and under military aggression, you shall not sit down and watch, and you will take all the necessary measures to defend yourselves in accordance with international law and the Charter of the United Nations. So it is an inherent right to defend, and we are determined to our defense by all means. I don't believe that it will, of course, all the responsible governments and countries around the world, those who are members of the United Nations and those who are members of the non-aligned movements, independent countries from the global south, they should protect international law, international peace and security and order. This is for all. It's the security for all, the peace for all. So I do believe that each and every country and government has the responsibility to protect international law and to try its best to de-escalate, if not prevent it, at least to de-escalate the tension.
Hekiravo no togorire Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi chabo no maragoba korende to basoska kendera kubwatia emirobere ya Getembe TV chingaki chionsi korwa sevi manyerero nere vene nyaboke nigautavanga bwairire nenche Matildah Obaigwa kendera kobera ime ya Getembe TV ekiagira asegeke kekere bosio nigo murobelio bwekirorano oraletwa sore asembio nere makopio na bwigo onkorogo kibacha korwa se studio akabere Kevin Ongeri wakubwaterana na Matildah botambe okoretera TV chana muri gya senchera engekerano kendera utwara oburigereria obia.